Yes boys, welcome back. So car behind me, you've just got a glimpse. It's a classic Mini, but it's not any classic Mini. This one's gonna make a funny video. It's a Mini Shorty. If you're not sure what a Mini Shorty is, well let me show you. That's a real car, people. That is a real car that you can drive. And we will drive it. Me and Connor are gonna take this for a spin later on. It's in for an exhaust system, believe it or not. There's not much to it. It's like world's shortest exhaust system. This is actually a real thing apparently. So, I don't know if the Mini made these, I doubt it. But apparently the lady who owns this, she absolutely loves it to bits. A few of them were made, they're quite rare now, so let's do an exhaust for it and let's take it for a spin and let's see how much of a plonker me and Connor are gonna look driving that thing around. She says it's quite fast. It's not really weather for it, so I hope it's not raining later because we can't take it out otherwise. That will ruin my plans. If it rains, my plans are ruined. If not, we're gonna take that little beast for a spin. Let's get to making this exhaust. Let's have a look then, see what we're dealing with. So she wants to keep the Love Art tips, but she wants to move them in a little bit. So we're gonna move them in and also weld them on rather than clamp them on. Let's have a look what else we've got. So it is a very, very short exhaust. It is quite loud at the moment. So we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of this small silencer. We're gonna put a much bigger one in there, big as we can get. And then the tube really is, that's it. Up there, set manifold, and that's it. As you can see, it's a bit crusty. So we're just gonna redo it. Redo it all in stainless, bigger silencer, take it for a spin. World's shortest Mini. Can we see any weld lines? God knows. There, look, innit? She was stitched together there, look down that seam. Actually quite scary, isn't it, really? Yeah. It's welded together.
When you've got that, yeah, bolting it together as well.
That's your strength and a bar there, what holds car together.
No, it's not even
We're gonna look like a pair of lovers, not a pair of brothers driving this. But we're gonna do it for a laugh. It's all banter in it, it's all a laugh. That's what it's all about. We'll take it for a spin, we'll get some looks. Be right. Let's get cracking, let's get exhaust done before it rains. Right, so we've made silencer. This is the old exhaust, all in one piece, quite a small thing. I've just made the flare for the end of that, so I've copied that to the best of my ability. That should seal on there fine. So what we're gonna do now then, we're gonna copy the original one. So you see these little bends there, they're all indexed in different directions. We're gonna get the angle finder, we're gonna see what angles the bends are, and then we're simply just gonna copy the original one, just because it fit nice already. We've already got a nice base to work to. The back bit will have to be different, we'll have to freehand the back bit. But the front portion as it comes down the car, we'll just copy it, just saves a bit of time. So that's what we're gonna do now, let's do it. You zeroed that off. Yeah. 7.3 degrees, so 7.5 degrees on that. Measure the centre it first, get centre at bend. Centre at bend. .5 degrees. Right, next. Yes, 50, I'm going for 60. 57, pretty close. Might be more 55, you know. Difficult to tell with that second bend it is, it's like 50. Yeah, it's 55, isn't it? Right, 55. It's got weird angles. Who does 55 and 7.5? .55, that one there is a
20 degree. Last one. Less than a 15 that. It's either like a 7, I bet you. It's about a 7 that. You're gonna struggle to do that, aren't you, because of that flare on end. It's 10 in it, you're right.
Yeah. 10. 10
Do we 10?
Yeah, 10 and a half.
Call it 10. Sweet. Right. Let's get bender set up. Start bending. Right, mid pipe fits the dream. Copied all original one, fits just like original one did. We need to put a bracket from that point there to there. There is a hanger here what weren't in use on old exhaust. We're going to put that into use because it's a bit of extra support. We've ordered a couple of bobbins what are going to go through here, a bit of support at the back. We haven't done it in one piece like original one just because it'd be a bit of a pain in the arse and it's easier to do it for us removable. So we're going to put a clamp there, link section onto the back box. Easy peasy, let's bend it. Go, link pipe's done. I have had to use MIG weld on here. I don't like doing that, but I couldn't get my swager far enough in to make pipe a nice fitting box, good enough to TIG it, so just ran a nice little neat MIG weld around there. It looks good. Don't like using them clamps neither, but I don't stock one small enough for this job. So again, we'll do final welds then, and then we're almost ready for a road test. Some nice little brackets on there, sturdy, tagger certification. Just got one weld to run around this end, one weld there. And it's time for a road test. Who's ready for a road test then? Who wants to come on a road test with me and Connor in a mini Shorty? See who looks like two idiots. In a purple mini that looks like a toy with Love Art exhaust tips. So let's go and rally it. Should we go and rally it? Let's go. Here we go then. Let's see what Marvin the Mini sounds like. That's what she calls it. Marvin the Mini. It says it in back. That alternator box belt's gonna come off. Doesn't sound too bad. Right, here we go. Let's go for a rally. Here we go. We're out in the Shorty and everyone is looking at us.
That sounds fresh.
I tell you what, swap suction cups. Whoa, rack is rage.
We're gonna go flying in this.
Rack is rage. We're gonna roll it. We're gonna roll this. Right, we need to swap suction cups. Bear with us. Right, we've got a better suction cup on. We are ready to go. It literally, it's gonna break down.
It's gonna roll.
We're already getting some looks, tell you that. We are already getting some looks.
Oh my god, don't roll it over roundabout.
Alright, it's right, it's right nip it.
Like a little go-kart, isn't it?
Oh, man. Oh, it's right sketchy. Oh. This is really good. If we see coppers,
We're dead.
we're getting pulled straight away, no doubt about it. My God, brakes are sketchy. Brakes are really sketchy. Yeah, if we see coppers, we are getting a tug. Yeah, turn camera to us. Everyone's loving it. Everyone's loving it. Not going in. There we go. Everyone's loving it. Everyone's looking at us.
That's a great little story. Whoa, I don't get the arm took off, man.
We're not gay, honest.
Feel safe with that?
No, no, not one bit.
Go! Dragons run!
It's actually nippy, this thing. Third gear's iffy though. Hey, there we go. Gotta find it. Oh my God, this is not safe. This is, which one's indicator? That one?
That's on!
Whoa! No, it's steering is right sketchy. Oh my God, we're going for it. We flat at board.
Oh, dear.
It's only a 4-speed.
It's still moving.
Connor's there. Oh my God, it's sketchy. Oh my God, it is sketchy. Oh, move like that. Oh, I didn't let go of wheel. I didn't let go of wheel. I don't even know how fast we're going. How does she know how fast you're going? It doesn't tell you. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at your hairline. Look at your hairline on camera. Oh my God, push that thing down. Look at Connor's hairline, everyone. That's why he's got that quiff.
I told you I'd have no wig left after this.
This is brilliant. This is best car we've ever had in. This is really good. Oh, I'm going on an extended road test today. Let's go for an extended one. There's not one person here that we've been past that hasn't looked at this car. Every single person's looked at this car. You know what? Exhaust sounds sweet. I don't even know if you can hear me. It's really loud with wind. My God, this is sketchy. This is sketch. Oh my God, I got no air left. Do you feel safe in this? I don't.
No, not really.
Wind blows us all over. Literally, wind's blowing us everywhere. Oh, this is fantastic. This is really good. Best car we've had in. This
By far.
gotta be the best car we've had in, hasn't it? Gotta be. This should not be legal, this. Do you know what? For a 1 litre, it actually goes alright as well.
It's like a go-kart.
Let's say, look at it. Oh, it's the best car we've ever had in. Best one ever.
I don't know.
Right, listen to on. Oh, brilliant. Whoa, so sketchy. Literally every little bumpy road, it's like, whoa.
Literally is like a go-kart.
I'll tell you what though, great day for it. Great day for it.
You're open to everything, aren't you? It's not even like convertible. If you roll it, you're dead.
Yeah, and you could roll it. The steering rack's so quick on it, you could roll this easy. I haven't got no wing mirrors actually, I've just noticed. Everyone looks. Every single person is like, what the smokes, this though, burns some oil, doesn't it?
What about 18 puffs at easy, I'm stressed.
Everyone's just laughing at us, it's really funny, literally
Might
every...
have been way.
Every single person's waving at us, I feel like a celebrity. You think Johnny Depp had just shown up? What a weapon. What a weapon.
This guy's got no clue what's behind him.
Brilliant. Absolutely love it. Don't think I'd have it. It's not my colour though. I think I prefer it in a different colour. And whatever that screeching noise is horrific. Third. Got used to third now. I know where it is now. You have to find it. It's really good. I wish we could just drive around Chesterfield and parade in it. It's really good.
Chesty Town in it.
We'll be on everybody's Snapchat.
He's missing himself.
God, every time you let off throttle, it's right back. Right, power run. Third gear, flat out, bridge test.
Don't smother it too fast.
I know, yeah, it's an ump in it, we'll jump it. God, it's right sketchy. We should have gone live. Why didn't we go live? We can do it now. Go on live.
How do you do that?
I ain't got a clue.
Live.
Go on, get us on live. Oh. We'll go on another parade around.
You are now live.
Right, we're gonna go for a parade around in minute. See how many silly looks we can get. Here we go, look, there's one. Hey! Great, folks. Hopefully you've enjoyed this madness. What an absolute mad little thing. I swear blind, everybody in Chesterfield has just looked at us and laughed at us.
We're going to be all out news.
We'll be on everybody's Snapchat story, that's for sure. We lived it on his Instagram and that, so don't forget if you want to see more mad shit, jump on his Instagram, like his Instagram. I do put crazy stuff on my story every single day. And this sounds like auxiliary belt's going to fall off any second. It's not happy. Yeah, follow us guys, catch you in the next video. Peace out.